How to disable new SoundCloud features and types notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable new SoundCloud features and types notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud, and here we'll find the library. Here just click on it and then click here in the top corner, and then click this one, settings, and now click notifications. Here we'll find it, and scroll down until you find new SoundCloud features and types, and then just click on it if you want to disable it and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.